Are you still there? Howdy, folks! I apologize for not posting any videos in the past few months, but I've been preoccupied with some pretty big life changes. Also, I had to pack up this entire studio and relocate all of my tools and equipment into a new space. The unpacking process has been quite time consuming, and as a result of that, filming and video production have just been on the back burner. Also, I'm sure you're aware, but there is a global pandemic which has prevented me from traveling to iron pores. But it's a new year now, and I'm feeling a little more settled, and I'm ready to get back in the game. Many of you already know that I have a full-time day job performing art installation. So pouring cast iron and producing videos for this channel is my side passion project. But if you want to help support my channel's growth, then please subscribe. And also by clicking the bell, you'll get notified every time I do put out a new video. Also, if you found this video entertaining and you've made it this far but haven't hit the like button, please do that too, and it'll help this video get seen by more people like you. The video's earlier main clip was only a little footage from an iron pour that I attended back in 2019, so before pandemic. And I'm currently working on a longer video from that trip. So if you want to see more footage of us pouring cast iron that was melted in a homemade blast furnace, be on the lookout for when I post that video. Remember, you can do that by subscribing, right? Well, that's all for now, but if you're new to the channel and you want to see more iron casting but just can't wait for my next video to drop, I've put together a playlist of videos that will bring you up to speed with what I've been doing for the past few years. And also, here's a playlist of smaller metalsmithing projects that I make when I can't be pouring iron. Lastly, and most importantly, I need to give a shout out to my ironclad crew on Patreon. They are the foundation that supports me from start to finish of every project and every video. They get to see all the behind the scenes insider information from my monthly check-ins, and as well they get to see every video early before it goes public on YouTube. So to you guys, my ironclad crew, thank you. Well, sadly, we ain't got no iron pours in the near future. But as always, I love you, and I'll see you soon.
Something always happens that